Keegan and I are in the gazebo in our first rain. Now you probably can't see it, but you can hear it. Those are the flowers from our garden for the girls. I have my computer in here. And I am perfectly dry. You like this one, Keegan? He says, "It's not raining on me, Mom. What's that?" Keegan likes that chair. How can I might be outside without getting wet? That's kind of cool, huh? Okay, we just thought we would share the wonderful news. Bye.